What is going on, guys? How you guys all doing? Hope you guys are doing good. I got another review for you today. I'm sure you guys have already seen reviews on it, but I am going to do my review. Mountaineer Beard Company, guys. I've had it for a little while now. I'm just getting around to doing it. First off, it came in this awesome little bag here with all their goodies in it, which I thought was pretty cool. Let's open it up and see what we got here. Beard oil, a beard balm, wooden comb, little boar hair bristle brush, and a thing of their beard wash. So let's get right into it, guys. First, let me put all this stuff back in here really quick so I don't lose it all. First, I will go over the beard oil here. It is the West Virginia Timber scent. I don't know if you guys can see this all right. Two-ounce bottle. Ingredients are grapeseed oil, almond oil, castor seed oil, cedarwood oil, fir needle oil, and eucalyptus leaf oil. Hopefully I'm not missing anything there. But pretty good stuff, guys. It's very strong, I'll give you that. It's a very piney fir needle scent to it, which is what I get anyway. And it's very strong. It's got the stopper, you know, you just hit the back of it and it comes right out, nice and easy, guys. It's not a thin oil, which is good. I like the thicker oils. I already have some product in my beard, so let's do this. Get it in the hair. Smell nice and piney. So I like it. I've used it for a little while. It's the scent doesn't last as long as you think it would. It lasts a while, but I mean, it lasts long enough, I should say, I guess. It doesn't last as long as you would think, but it lasts long enough. All right, on to the beard balm. There it is, guys. Hopefully you can see this. I hate when it doesn't focus in for you, or if it's really bright. And this is also the West Virginia Timber scent. Again, it's got the same scent as the oil. Very piney, fir needle scent to it. And it's a 2-ounce tin, guys. I'll go here, I'll scrape it for you so you can see. Comes out pretty easy. It has a nice medium hold to it, guys. Light to medium hold, I'd say. But it does what it should do in your beard. It lasts pretty much all day. Same with the scent, lasts pretty much all day. Not all day, but most of it. Oh, such a piney scent. I love this scent. It's a little on the stronger side for me, but I still really like it. I still use it without a problem. It's just a lot stronger than I thought it would be. So that's that. Let's go on to the beard wash here. This stuff I really like, guys. And you know what? Before I do this, let me read the ingredients. I forgot to do that on the balm here. Grapeseed oil, almond oil, beeswax, shea butter, coconut oil, vitamin E, cedarwood, fir needle, eucalyptus oil, leaf oil. I don't think I missed anything. There's a lot of stuff on here, but I think it all pretty much means the same thing. Back to the beard wash. So I really like using this, guys, in the shower. It just has that awesome pine fir needle smell to it that I like to use in the shower. Just refreshing, smells really good, washes the beard very good. It's not my top, but it's definitely right up there. It has the stopper also. You can't really see it. I had a hard time opening it, but it's the same thing. You just flip it over and give it a little hit in the back. Or this one you squeeze, sorry. And it's if you look at it, it's like a gel. Not thin. So I like that. It doesn't lather up like a shampoo, which is awesome. I don't really care for a bunch of lather when I'm gonna wash my beard. But good scent, does an awesome job washing the beard. Let's see if I can get the ingredients in here. Coconut oil, olive oil, jojoba seed oil, sunflower seed oil, guar, gum, you know what, guys? I'm just gonna list this because I can't read all these, so I'm just gonna list it. You guys will be able to see it somewhere in my video here, or maybe at the end. We'll see. So that's the beard wash, guys, and this is the 4-ounce bottle of the beard wash. Pretty good stuff, guys. I like it. Does a good job. And on to this nice little beard comb they sent me. I really like this. I like the finish on it. Nice dark. It's a nice sturdy comb. I don't want to go too much, but it's not going to break. It doesn't even budge. But nice little comb here. I've used it a few times. I don't use wooden combs all that often. I have a setup that I'll go over eventually in a review. But it is a nice comb. It does a good job on the beard. And last is the boar hair bristle brush, guys. Nice little addition that they threw in there for me. I wasn't expecting that. Or the comb, so. Nice little package deal that they sent me, guys. Nice little kit here. This bag is awesome. In the inside, they got all these little pockets. I don't know if you can see it, but for oils and balms and whatnot that you can put in there. Keeps everything nice and safe. Got a lot of cushion in there, so nothing's gonna break. So, all in all, guys, pretty damn good company. I suggest it, especially the timber scent here. They're the West Virginia timber scent, however you want to call it. Great brand. Good beard oil, good beard balm, good wash, good brushes, combs. Can't go wrong, guys. And it's pretty cheap. It's not very expensive. I'll have the link in the description below. Go check them out. They have other scents, so you can check those out too if you're not into woodsy, timbery, fir needle, eucalyptus, all that kind of stuff. So stay with me. I got more reviews coming. Sorry that they've been so spread out, but I promise I got more coming, guys. So take it easy, and I'll see you next time.